So today I'm starting something different, MSSQL service exploitation. If anyone has any suggestion for any other service exploitation, I have the bunch here. So let's start the machine. Metasploit, privilege escalation. Let us see a Kali GUI machine, target machine running vulnerable server are provided to you. The IP address of target machine is provided as a text file. Name target place on the desktop of a Kali machine through desktop target. Your task is to fingerprint a application using tool available on a Kali machine and exploit application using appropriate Metasploit module. The escalate privilege using Microsoft Net NTLM2 reflection decom RPC juicy Metasploit exploit module. Okay, let's start the machine and I will use the magic of video filming. So we got the machine and the target. Let's drag it to the top. Start the terminal. Drag it to the side if I can do it at all. And start enumerating MSF console. And map. And map. Let us check. Let's say we know that it is up and running. And we got a bunch of services. Search for MSSQL. Whoa. So I have enum-exec login 7 service capture LAN sweeper collector credentials collector. We got something in here. So it is on, this is the port 4033 339 RDP 98 3268 LDAP. Okay, this is the one. MSSQL info console local keep us 5. Okay. Now we can run another script. MSSQL info. By the way, we can find errors, user share, nmap, scripts. Nope. Now, all that has in this this is the extension of the nmap scripts. Grep SQL MSSQL. Okay. MSSQL. We got, let's count the lines, 12 scripts that have something to do with MSQL. Discover, root, config, DAC. Dump hashes, empty password, has DB access info, and TLM info, query tables, XP CMD shell. I'm interested in this one particularly. Was description browser that dedicated admin connection. Both of the given of all SQL Server instances, DAC port is used to connect to the database instance when normal connection attempts fail. For example, when server is hanging out of memory or other bad states. In addition, the DAC port provides an admin with access to the system objects otherwise not accessible over normal connection. DAC feature is accessible on the loop adapter per default, but can be activated in remote access. Remote access admin connection. Remote admin connection configuration value to 1. And here we got the usage for the DAC. I don't recall. 4034 I don't recall in here, so we have nothing to do with 4034. We don't have it. DAC instance 1533 we don't have it either. Okay, so DAC is not relevant for this, but this one is very relevant. P4033. Here we go. So version server 2019 RTM number level patches applied false. So now we can see what we got from here. Let us see MSQL log in, this one. So use 9, show options. Now we have to specify pass file, user file, and our hosts. Set or gset our host. If we will use it in future, gset supposed to do it globally. MS console commands gset. Let's see the gset one. Gset. Nope. You don't have it. Gset. So it's not gset, is set g. Hosts. Now set user file, user share. Nope. We have word list in here, common password, common users. So root desktop, word list, common users. Same for the password with 100 common passwords. That's it. Exploit. Fail. One is successful. Editor Nikita. BD admin Anna Maria. And I had strong feeling CA without password. CA is a privileged user for MySQL. So if I will set the boss to false, we won't see. We see only the successfully changed password and usernames. That's it. CA 3 those passwords. Now what can we do with this? MSSQL. We have MSSQL service RCE no, collector no, hash dumping no, exec maybe execution. What else do we have? Payload, excellent. Execution is normal, but payload is excellent. Okay. Use 24. Show options. We already set G our host, so we have this in here. And now we can exploit good. I'll use the magic of the filming. So now we got Metasploit on the machine. Get user ID. Help some user. Get system. Attempt to get system. Nothing in here. Access denied. Following attempt by impersonation. Maybe migrate. We do have two flags. Flag and admin and DLM hash. Okay. So first flag we can maybe search for it. Or they're giving some hints. IP, do not locate, change the highest privilege on the compromised machine and get two flags. Okay. LS. Ooh. PWD. System 32. cd to c. What? pwd c. Let's do it like this. Why? What? Okay, shell cd c there. Oh, what a nice surprise! I have here flag. So let's say I got the flag. Flow txt. Okay. Clear is not recognized. Okay. Now what is the next? Let's exit. How can we do something with the privilege escalation? Background, this one, and now search suggester or something. Suggester use 0 set show options. Okay, set session to 1. Session 1 background. Session 1 exploit. So now this script is trying to elevate privileges. By elevate privilege or collecting information about the possible vulnerability, so I can use them on this machine in order to elevate privileges. I think sounds okay. Go. It's taking time for an exploit check being tried. Let's see which one is working. Appears to be vulnerable. Let's say I'm going with this one. And I will put them in a side so I won't lose them in case the first one is not working. Use. Oops, I can't do it like this. Okay. Search MS16. Thank you very much. Flag. Wait, what? I have dropped to this one. I wanted this one. Search. Excellent. This one is great. This one is excellent. Use 0. Using this one. show options, session, via ID1, B configuration, arc must match target. Okay. Okay. Let's see the targets. Show targets. Automatic. Okay. This one is not working for me, at least. What's with this one? Search. Use. Excellent. 0. Show options. Set session to 1. Exploit. Aborting. Dude. What's the problem with this one? Or what their architecture? This is architecture. Show targets. Show exploits. Whoa. I don't understand the lingo. Okay, let's get into this one. Let's say this. Others are not working for me. Show options. Session, yes, 1. Okay. Exploit. Auto check false to disable. Running auto check, set auto check false to disable. The tag appears to be vulnerable, attempting to pre-ask on via session ID 1. Aborting payload architecture mismatch. Okay. Okay. Let me check this one. We don't have much exploits left. Use 0. Show options. Session. Exploit. Maybe this one will work. Executed on the machine. Who am I? Yep. It's not working. Okay, process with log on the handler. No valid thread. Who am I? Root. No session was created. Okay. Deleted. So we failed on this one either. Patch this one. we have exactly to the 0. Whoa, what? Use 0, show options, set session 1, exploit, and use 1 have juicy, show options, set session 1, exploit. It's working like a charm. Hopefully. Exploit finish, wait for hopefully privilege escalation payload execution. But no session was created. Dude, no session was created. Let's rerun this one. Maybe this time to have some. Whoa! Wait a second. Maybe I've just missed that one. He also executed on target, but no exploit completed, but no session was created. Okay, next time. Get user ID, UID, dump hashes, hash dump. Wait, what? I'm not using it right. Maybe migrate to Explorer. Exit. What's migrate N? Completed successfully. Help migrate. Help. PID and name. Name. Okay. Now hash dump. Whoa. Here we go. So this task is done and this lab is finished. Let's move on the next. New lab, MSSQL, juicy potato, privilege escalation. Juicy potato. Decali GUI machine, like it was in the previous lab. Your task is to fingerprint application using the tools available on Kali machine and exploit the application using the appropriate MySQL module. Then escalate privileges with juicy potato local exploit module. Gain highest privileges on a compromised machine and get 2 flags. So we got the Kali GUI machine. Now nmap this one. Let's see what we got. We got MSQL 4033 for insert is 3. LDAP MS Web 50 WPT server. Okay. Now what we doing? The same nmap like in the previous. script. No. This one. Script. MSSQL. Info. P4 in 33. So we got the version of the server, number, and it's very helpful, very helpful. MSF console, and we start the Metasploit and see what do we got in here also. Search MSSQL, and we got some of it in here. So now we need to log in, check, use 9, show options. We got in here word list, common, set as file, desktop word list 100 common passwords, set user file, if I can type, desktop word list or common user files, set variables false, exploit, option variables are hosts. Okay, you write set g are hosts, this exploit CA with no password at all, SA with no password at all. So now I think we need to do the same what we've done in the previous chapter. Search for MSSQL, and we got payload here. Excellent. Use 24 and exploit right away. I'll use the magic of the filming. We got Metasploit. Let's see who we get. UID, get system, nothing in here. Background, session 1, search, suggester, use 0, let's show the options. Set session to be 1, exploit. He's collecting the information in order to suggest some exploits. I will use the magic of the filming. I haven't done nothing, but it's claiming that I've interrupted it. Post-model execution. Okay. Sessions 1 shell. Let's see what do we got here. Shell priv. Okay. Ship token machine impersonate privilege impersonate the client after authentication. Get global increase. Okay. So now I'm looking for juicy potato because we haven't too much success with the suggester. So rotten potato ng variations target CLS ID. Pick any CLS you want here. You can find them. Com listen IP, listen ID, create with token, impersonate, juicy, create process call, creation token, both local C, this is the token, final thoughts. If the user has set impersonate C sign primary token privilege, you are system. Let's see. Privilege C increase machine create increase C impersonate C assign primary token C impersonate primary token C impersonate privilege. Okay. Impersonate privilege. Impersonate the client after authentication. Okay. Juicy potato. Let us see what we can do. Okay. Just exit this real quick. And MSF Venom. Let us do some payload. Windows Metasploit the reverse TCP L host L port 4444 FX back.exe. Let us see what is if config. And this is it. I've just used the magic of the filming, and here we have a backdoor. Now upload backdoor. Cannot temp pvd here. I do see some stuff here. Here we go. Okay. Now I need to activate background. Or no, maybe in here. This one. Okay, I will open another MSF console and we'll set the handler and all that good jazz. Use search handler, which handler? Exploit multi-handler, this one. Use 98 multi-handler, show options. Okay, so set payload, Windows, Metasploit, reverse TCP, set lhost. Lhost, it's my local host. This one. Set L4 4444. Now hit run, and we need to go back to shell and run the backdoor on it. Woohoo! I haven't downloaded the Juicy Potato. Where do I have Juicy Potato here? Tools, Juicy Potato. This is Juicy Potato. Okay. Let's exit real quick. Exit, upload. Desktop, tools, Juicy Potato. Now we got it. Shell. No. Juicy Potato. Exit. Back to exit. How do I need to run it? Juicy Potato. I need some example. Here we go with example. Really good one. Juicy Potato L. I guess it is local port. P. Payload. T. Don't know. Wait a second. T. Create process. P. Program launch. L. Port. Listen. Port. Okay, this one. Where do we got this one? Where do we got this one? I don't know. CD. Okay. Nope. I don't know where do I got the select global home class. We need CO in order to escalate relevant privileges. So how do we get this class root? So I was wondering, where do we got this token? I think it is token. See, let's see in this t create process token. I think it is token. Create CLSID on here. Find CLSID. So here we got the juicy potato, a sugar version with bit of juice. So by versions of the Windows, we got here how to extract. We can see the script, but for the version, and we know the version of this machine, we got the version of this machine somewhere in, we don't have the version of this machine. Okay, let me see system info. So it is 10B60 2060 version machine, 2060 standard or 2060 standard. So one of these is app ID and CLSID. So we can have any of that, and hopefully, just hopefully, it would run. CL CLSID. Okay, so now let me direct juicy potato. Next, we can see here juicy potato L is listening port L444, just like we defined in the backdoor. C minus C. This is it. C. Now P. Windows system what? CMD. Oh, we are opening here reverse shell. Let me see real quick. Let me see backdoor. Okay, So we are throwing it on a vector P, this one, vector P, O. That's it, I think that's it. Let's see what's the in this mesh. The create call process. Okay, let us see if it is working. It is indeed testing. Very nice. So now get user ID and we are system. C flag txt. Here it is, and second flag. Where do we have second flag? Administrator hash dump. What? System migrate and explorer exe hash dump. Thanks God. Okay, this one will be nice. So this was very nice lab. I've enjoyed it very much, and now I'll proceed to the next lab in this series. We got some. Thanks. See ya. So we got a new lab, MSSQL payload execution. So your task is to fingerprint the application using tools available on Kali machine and then exploit the application using the appropriate Metasploit method. Exploit the server and retrieve the flag. Okay, now they are not getting us any hint of any kind, so we need to figure it out. We have one flag. That's it. Okay. Thumb ritual in this machine also. We are running out of bad jokes. So best we have it in map. Nope. This one. Script MSSQL info port 4033. This is it. I don't know if it's helping me much, but MSF console. Config. This is our IP. Fetch MSQL. Let us see the login. Use 9. Show options. Set G Host this one, yes. Set user file desktop list common user files. Set pass for desktop list 100 passwords. Set the both false. Exploit. No. Exploit. Right away. We have something. So now we can take the help and login with Payload 24. So use 24 exploit. I will use the magic of the filmmaking. We got something in here. Let's get UID. Okay. Let's background this one. Search for suggester. Use 0. Set session to 1. Exploit. And I will use the magic of the filmmaking and will return when this 13 exploits will be finished. Okay, nothing in here, but do we need to do let's session return the session, get system, couldn't get the system, migrate, and wait a minute, how do I get PID proxy help? I need to find processes. I want to process list. See what processes do I get in here. Reboot, shell, PS, list running processes. PS. Okay. This one, anti-server. This one is no. Server. SRV. This SRV. Let us get it. Migrate and SQL server exe. Okay. Get user ID. Still the same. Nothing new. Can't see. Flag txt. This is the flag, and I finished this one also. See you in the next time. On the next time indeed. MSSQL CrackMapExec. let's see what we got. What do we have here? Your task is to fingerprint MSSQL service using the tool available on Kali machine, and then use the CrackMapExec tool to perform post-exploitation on a target machine by exploiting the MSSQL service. Exploit the MSSQL service to get on target and review the flag. Now we got in here in a Kali. I've already run the nmap script MSSQL info for the same version as always, almost. Let's start MSF console and run the same script as always. Use search MSSQL 9. Wait, what? Nine. This one. Use 9 set G hosts. This one set pass file desktop list password set user file desktop list common users set the variables false exploit. Okay, now that we have these, we need to use CrackMapExec. So I guess it is in tools. CrackMapExec. Nope. Okay. Locate CrackMap. Here it is being CrackMapExec, but we need, I bet we need something else, but maybe this one. I don't know. Let's check it. So here we go again. Log in, no payload. Payload 24. Use 24 and exploit right away because we already got the R hosts on our side. So I will use the magic of the filmmaking and return when all this is done. So I'm back and this is halfway through. Get user ID, some user. We need to crack map this one. Crack map. So baby. Crack map. Okay. Wait a minute. Admin. Beckham. Or we can do Hydra L no L capitalized root desktop war list common users P shame root desktop war list 100. So now let me see this MSSQL admin Joshua. Why didn't it find the admin Joshua in here? Very strange video. Admin Joshua, okay, admin Joshua. So now we can CrackMapExec help okie doke help MSSQL stuff okie doke timeout jitter nope. CrackMap. Okay, CrackMapExec. And we got in here I will go with this one for some strange reason. Nope. Over this one. Okay, never mind. SMB users CrackMap. Okay, fine. TMS CrackMap MSSQL help. No helpful for you. This is local health user admin. If I can type password Joshua 1x maybe config. Oh, very nice. Still I need to find CrackMapExec cheat sheet. I have the cheat sheet, this one. Okay. Nope. SMB. Metasploit. SMB version. Okay. Digest disabled. SAML. I got this one. And this one is looking good, but I don't see. Oh, CrackMap. Let me check this one real quick. Crack. CrackMap. What? If I'm not doing anything, it is spitting his all. Thread timeout jitter driver, but he's not helping show this exit. H, nothing in here. MSSQL. Oh, okay. Now we got H. Help didn't work first time. ID, cred ID, user, password, get limit, nope. So target range CI DR CL F QND and so on. So local auth, locally each target. So I'm having in here, and X is command. This is it. Joshua Pond. This one is the command. Okay. So now, what can I do with this one? X. Select all from. Maybe I can show databases. Let's say I don't know what databases do we have. Okay. MSSQL show DB. The show databases is in MySQL. Okay. So this is the syntax. Select name from master sys databases. Select is not recognized. Wait, what? Oh, let's go in here. Query Q. Okay. It's not a command, it's query. So if it is query, so Q. Master. Can I still check this one? Nope, nothing in here. But in here, but this one worked. Okay. So now, what do we have? Master, tempdb, model, MSDB. Which one do I want? I don't know. Let's see. Master. Master sys logins. Master sys SQL logins. names, and can I describe this thing? Let's see. MSSQL describe. Describe table. Show tables. MSSQL show tables. Show list tables. Information schema, database name, information schema. Select all from database name. So let's say I don't know what we have here. Information schema. Information schema tables. What? Nothing? Oh, okay, thanks. Thank you very much. Name was the bummer in here. So now without name, we can get a table. Catalog, DB, master, SP dev, SP fault value, monitor, replication. Okay. Sys. View base table, DBO. Maybe DBO? DBO. Nope. I don't know, man. Demo MSDBO master. I don't have sys in here. Where did they do sys from? Replication option, system master, DBO. I don't know. Table catalog? Maybe table catalog? Table catalog. No? No. Table catalog. No? Tables, table catalog. Yo, you have to give me some. Don't. There you can just let me hang out like this. It's not fair, dude. Give them your hand. Variables. Domain correct. Okay. Launcher movement. So this is how it gets now. Let me do. So we have here login master and some base something. Okay. So we have here password hash, name, principal ID, type. So what do we have here? Table catalog, table schema, table name, table type, master. Okay, now we can get not all but name and the other field. This is how they need it. Logins. Now select. Now we will select login name from sys logins. And I have no clue from where do we got this information. Login name, where sys admin 1. It's not working. Select form login name. Select login name. Oh, login name from sys logins. Here we go. Login name. Now we will have to execute. Exec ps configure, show advanced options, reconfigure, exec sp configure. I don't know what they need from me. Exec yes, configure, show advanced options. Reconfigure go exec yes config go xv cmd show one re go. Wait, what? Okay. So now, if I'm doing this one, who am I? Let's get rid of the quotes and all these jazz. And we got the execution. This is it. It's executing. Okay. Now we got MSF console. Fetch for HTA server. Yes, please. Show options. Set G hosts. Wait, what? Okay, I don't need it. I need just to exploit this. Okay. MSHTA exec HTTP this one HTA this one this one. Let's get rid of SHTA exec this one. Let's hope for the best. I have strong feeling that I got him for the moment. I don't have no history. This one 26 success. How do we measure success? Whoa. Sessions. L. No session. No sessions in here. Okay. Shutting down, please wait. Shutting down, please wait. Jobs. List. Jobs. I think K is to kill. Need help. Okay, terminate. ID. Jobs. K. ID 0. No jobs. Jobs. Okay. Now it is good. Show. Let us create new one. Come on. This is it. This is the new one. Paste. Output. Delivered. Sending staging. Good, good, good. Look good, look good. Look good. So let us see list of sessions. 1. Session 1. Get user ID. Okay. Okay. What was the task again? Better get. Okay. That's it. We've got it. Got. See. Look. TXT. That's it. Thanks. See you in the last chapter. So the last one. Your task is to fingerprint MSSQL service using the tool available on Kali machine. Then use the MSSQL client Python script to connect to remote MSSQL server and perform database user privilege escalation and chain the shell on the target machine. Privilege escalation path Bob DB user SA user. Exploit the server and retrieve flag. So Bob, we got the credentials for Bob, and from there we have to make our privilege escalation path. So we do have here instructions on the IPs, and IP of the target is on desktop target. So desktop target We don't have no target in here. So who am I supposed to exploit? This is my IP, but I don't have the target in here. Dude. The user will access window server. Okay, demo. Go. Cut. Hosts. This is it. Attack Kali ini this demo local. That's what I thought. In a moment we got in net discover. Help. Net discover device. I think that device will be this one. I hope so. Zero. So discover I 0. I discover it. I don't understand why I have to do it like this. Do not attack gateway in 1010. I'm not in 1010 at all. At all. New tab. I think this is it. API. Other. This is it. 1010. Where do I have 1010? Nmap. No. Oops. Okay. Okay. We have here something. So ping demo. Okay. Sorry. Nmap. I've got this. And I nmap script MSSQL info port 40. That is 3. Say one. And let's MSF console. locate MSSQL client client this one MSSQL QL client help working help port H target. So I do have Bob user password target. I do have Bob and this is his password. Bob this one, and now we have domain and right we go. Okay, change context to English. Looks good, looks good. Select version. Looks good, looks good. In Pentest Monkey, MSSQL cheat sheet, we do have something very interesting. This is it. Select version, comments, username, system username. This is it. So this is working. What can I do from here? Select. Let me see. Select login from process. I do not have it. Sys process, no. Select sys login where sys admin. This one. CA. Okay. Try. What do we have here? Also, database, objects, return, exec. What we've done in previous tasks. Exec, XP, CMD, net user may disable by default. So, how do I enable it? exec add login exec cmd configure enable xp cmd shell configure. Okay, I don't have it here. Enable xp cmd shell. Nope, you don't have permission to perform the action. So, who do have this permission? Who does have this permission? Who has this permission? All. Okay, let's see. Impersonate. Don't have it. So this is the command. Error. I will need to wipe the new lines. DB user. Impersonate. DB user. So this was check if any user account allows user impersonation. So CA and DB user allow this impersonation. Now let's try to impersonate them. Select system user execute as login CA Bob error cannot impersonate. Now let's switch the user DB user. Oh, now we select system user DB user. We impersonated the DB user. Now we are DB user. Show execute as. Now we can try to run the same. Whoa, now we are CA user. This is insane. We just got from being nobody on MSSQL and we got the top user in a MSSQL. So now we can enable XP shell, hello run configuration install. Okay, now exec XP cmd shell. Who am I? No. Who am I? Express. Okay. Now I want to make search HDA server use 0 exploit. Okay, now I can MSG. Now I can copy this link and do the next MSHDA exe. Whoa, no. This one. Now delivering payload, we see that I've got a payload uploading. And if everything goes well, we will have Metasploit on the target machine. And we'll see how deep is the rabbit hole. Taking too long. I will use the magic of the filmmaking. I'm not sure, we'll check the session. We don't have the session. Exploit, fail, jobs, list. We do have the session. What? Session. List. No session. Jobs. Okay. 0. Thank you. No jobs in here. And now I will hit exploit. And we started the machine. So no. What goes now? We do have, now it's working. Now we see the Metasploit session opened. For the first time it wasn't. Let's see. Session L. We do have it. Session 1. Get user ID. Okay. Very good. Sys info and sessions. Okie doke. C flow. That's it. I've done all these labs of the MSSQL. Just finished last flag, and that's it. Thanks for being with me. Subscribe for more.